Hello everyone, in today's video we are gonna see about the atom. So, what does an atom looks like? A piece of a paper and cut it in half and continue to cut it smaller and smaller. What you left with? A very small paper. This is a similar thought experiment to the Greek philosopher Democritus, pondered in around 400 BCE. He thought that what would happen if we cut a clay or any object as further smaller than we could not cut it. And that's what comes the atom. So, let me take some few examples of an atom. Let's take an apple magnified into the size of the earth. Now, what would be its size of the atom of the apple's atom in the thing, because it is magnified into our earth. So, what would you see? The atom of an apple. Maybe approximately it could be the original size of the apple. So, that's how small is an atom. It took until 19th century for Democritus to be proved right. With one important tweak in the 20th century, atoms doesn't exist, but they are certainly not indivisible. As Democritus rightly suggests, atoms are the basic units of matter, like the ones like Lego bricks. They put together in different ways to make everything from viruses to Venus. But while Democritus pictured a solid atomos, real atoms are mostly empty. So you might be asking, what is atomos? Atomos is one single atom. The plural format is atoms. So in the real fact that real atoms are mostly empty in space. In fact, the modern picture of the atom bears a striking reassemble to the solar system. At the center lies the nucleus, as a different, most massive object by far as it plays the role of the sun. The sun is mostly made up of hydrogen and helium. Stretching the analogy a little, the nucleus too has just two elements, protons and neutrons. Way out in distance, lighter atoms orbit the nucleus just like the planets orbiting our home star, even though the electrons themselves are not balls rather than fuzzy objects. How do we know all of this? The UK physicist Joseph John Thomson was the first person to create the indoors distinguishing the atom in 1890s. The series of experiments, Thomson found out that the atom consists of a positively and negatively charged parts. So that is how he found it. So, shall we have some questions? Has anyone ever seen an atom? Comment down below the answer. And how did neutron stars get their name? Comment down below. And how much power will ITER produce? The answers are coming soon after one day of the post of this video.